Uh, let's get cracking. It feels so long since I've done some proper analysis, so I'm most probably going to be a bit rough around the edges, but let's get into it anyway. Um, it's been weird recent weeks just because the market was falling and then we got the war starting and the market started rallying, and trying to piece together all the ideas in my head's been a bit sketchy. I do still think we go lower, but definitely we're pumping right now, and I'm not genuinely sure about why, apart from war and money printing because of war. But anyway, market, we got a nice trend line here for Bitcoin. So in terms of long term, we could be watching these levels here from the low in July to the lows in January, and just if we get back down below this level, that could be a signal that we're dropping back below 30k. From 36 to 30k is like 20%, so there's a decent trade there. Maybe more between 15 and 18%, but yeah, there's a decent trade on the break of this trend line. Upside targets, I would be looking at now whether or not we're going to be able to hold above here. So this level here, around 45, and failing that, up here, or sort of breaking above that up here. And really anywhere around this level, I'm looking for reasons to short, really. I think what we could have is, this sort of bear squeeze that we're having right now sort of come back up into this level, consolidate around it, and then we'll get a confirmation of which way we're going to go, whether we get the break above and retest to new highs, or to revisit old highs, or we get the break down below, retest, and a trade back down to this trend line and the lows. If we look, if I get rid of all of this crap, really, I'm right now, as in the next days, I'm looking at this level here and how the market trades around it. I have put on some shorts around here just because out of anywhere around this most recent price range, this is clearly the best place to try and get some shorts in. So I'm in a short from, I think, 45.5 from, I pretty much rode it from somewhere around here down to here. Now we've come back up, basically shorting again. I'm in from like just below 44. So yes, sir, what are you saying? So yeah, literally get in from here and see what happens. We'll most probably get blown out, price come back above, and get a short opportunity from yes, bro, what are you saying, from higher up.
What you saying?
I'm good, bro. How are you?
I'm good, bro. Alhamdulillah. What you
Glad
saying?
to
You
hear.
did some analysis?
Yeah. I'm literally just gone through Bitcoin. To be honest, everything, my ideas on everything is the same. I'm starting to short Bitcoin from here. I'm not really looking at anything else, but I would expect.
Bro, I'm gonna join back, alright? I'm gonna just quickly do something. I'm gonna join back. I'm gonna chat to you.
Yes, say no more.
Alright, love.
Yeah, so ETH, similar thing. Let me clear up this chart a bit. Sorry, you know you're on mute, right? But you might not want to talk anyway because I'm recording this for YouTube. Alright, so yeah, weekly level. Pretty much all we need to see is back above this level. Let me get rid of that. Really, what we would want to see is price take out these highs up here. Take out these highs here, back above this weekly level, consolidate around here, and then break, retest, and continue higher. I drew that wrong. Yeah, so break, take this level out, and then come and consolidate around here before breaking out and continuing higher if we were to get bullish. But just like Bitcoin, I would say we're at a key sort of support and resistance level. So this could be the perfect time for market structure to continue lower. We get around 3K, a sell-off from 3K, and then we start looking at these lows down here. It's possible. It's just the way the market's going right now. I'm not really sure why we're getting the bullishness, but we're getting into levels we could possibly sell from. BNB, similar scenario. Let's get rid of all of these crap lines. Oh crap. Yeah, so same shit, different chart. Getting into pretty much this weekly level here. Would want to see price come take out these highs, confirm at a level before this drawing tool. I need to get one of those drawing pads. But yeah, come back, take out these highs, maybe consolidate a bit further down before coming back, retesting and moving up to the next level of around, what's this high here? This high is around 500, so somewhere around there. And then you could hold to the next level of 520 if you wanted to. But swing target, next high around 500, which would be from, if you were to say 430 as your average buy-in, 430 to 500 is around 15%, between maybe 17.5%, somewhere around there, between 15 and 18%. Another coin I'm looking at, Harmony. I think I was looking at this earlier, but similar thing, like I don't see, they're all at levels of key support and resistance. So I need to see the levels be confirmed above before I can start thinking about longing. Right now, it just looks like we're getting sort of a pump back into an area where we can sell into. So yeah, not really considering buying right now. I don't think that's the play. I think we need to watch for some shorts here. We do have some nice ranges we could play if these are the lows. We might play around here or play around here before we get a breakdown and continuation of what is this market. Are we continuing bullish or are we continuing bearish? Yes, interesting place to be. Don't really have much more to look at right now. BTC, ETH, BNB, one. No one's in chat, so I don't have to look at anything that anyone really wants to. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. First one back. What is this? This like 20 minutes. A nice 15-minute one, light one for the return. We'll get into some proper things. What's it? Tuesday today, Wednesday, Thursday. We'll do another call on Thursday and see where the markets are. Short BTC from 45.5 and 43.9, I think. 43.6. And I had a sell limit on my swing trade at 44, so my average has been brought down on the swing trade to 44.7, 44k750. So brought down by $750 on that entry price. One's in profit 17%, one's in profit by 18%. Smaller positions though, it's only one's in lost 50 cents, the other one's in a $1.60 profit. So yeah, that's that. Counts down a little bit. What's that? Like 5%. So yeah, need to get that back. We'll get that back, don't worry. It's like, alright, leaving it here. Back on Thursday. Peace out, guys.